Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Chevy Impala louder. We'll start with some simple modifications that can significantly enhance your car's sound. First, inspect your current exhaust for any issues or easy upgrades. Then, think about adding a performance air intake. It's a great way to get more induction noise. Finally, removing the resonator is a popular, straightforward step for a deeper exhaust note. Moving on to more dedicated exhaust upgrades, a full catback system is a fantastic way to completely change your Impala's sound profile. If a full system isn't in your budget, simply replacing your muffler with a performance-oriented one can make a big difference. Also, consider upgrading to larger diameter exhaust piping. This helps with both sound and performance by improving exhaust gas flow. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. On another note, if you love bringing sound to life, consider the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for filling your space with music or even the roar of a virtual engine. You can find a link to it and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Beyond the exhaust, your engine and intake play a crucial role in your car's sound. A cold air intake not only improves performance, but also significantly increases that satisfying induction noise. For a more comprehensive approach, a performance engine tune can optimize various parameters, including how your engine sounds. Don't forget about upgrading your headers. They're key for better exhaust flow and a sharper, louder note. For those looking for more advanced modifications, an exhaust cutout offers the ultimate flexibility, letting you switch between quiet and loud with the push of a button. Replacing your catalytic converters with high-flow versions reduces restriction, freeing up both horsepower and sound. And for the truly dedicated, a performance camshaft upgrade can give your Impala that unmistakable, aggressive idle rumble that turns heads.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.